a law that violates the constitution will never be constitutional. Nzara pena mashuko budanyo kwa pangwa inoi the Gifford Gomwe pangwa inoi achiti this constitution amendment bill pangwa inoi violate muteme violate the 2013 constitution. This bill, this law will never be constitutional. Nzara pena mashuko jizere amdanyo kwa pangwa inoi Gifford Gomwe. Don't subscribe or like on the bill icon. Pangwa inoi Gifford Gomwe and my main points I can bring achiti. No matter how it is passed, we will not recognize it. Section 2(1) of our constitution says the constitution is the supreme law and any law inconsistent with it is invalid. The courts exist precisely to uphold the constitution and to reserve any law that goes against it. That is the rule of law. Do mashukane toka pangwa ine na activist Gifford Gomwe achia pangwa ine ashinalify achiti yes tukona kuti the cap 3 has been signed and pangwa ine tukona kuti a billionaire tukona chikananda from the ruling parties and PF they are happy, they are celebrating kuti finally they have managed to amend the constitution, but they do not know its implications. They do not know what the bill is carrying. Pangwa ine yataona kuti even some legislators who are opposed to the Constitution Amendment Bill number 3, they are asking themselves, Zimbabwe, let us ask ourselves, what next? We do not know their plans. We do not know the plans, yet they are Seko Yeshugananda, Pangwa leader this cap 3. Pangwa Jona kuti this amendment, my implications akawanda pachizvarwa chenyika yeZimbabwe and pangwa Gifford Gomwe arikuda tarachiti this law inoonekwa kunzi innovated the constitution will never be constitutional. Pangwa muri yeZimbabwe chimbotizama kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu, subscribe or like, continue on the bell icon.